In this video, I will show you how you can find your lost or stolen Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to find your lost Samsung phone, first of all, just grab any other device. It can be any other Android device or an iPhone, and from there, just open the web browser. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just open this website. Then tap on sign in. Now just sign into the same Samsung account which is used on your lost phone. Now after you enter the email address which is used to create the Samsung account of your lost phone, then tap on next. Enter the password of the email address. After you enter the password of the email address, then tap on sign in. Now just tap on continue and select agree. Now after you sign into the Samsung account, then on this screen just tap on devices. Now over here just tap on your lost Samsung phone. Now after you do that, then you will find it on the map. Now from here you can either tap on ring, then tap on start. Now your lost Samsung phone will start ringing. Also you can tap on more and you will find more actions. For example, if your Samsung phone has been stolen, you can tap on erase data and you can erase all the data of your Samsung phone. Or you can tap on extend battery life and your Samsung phone will enter into the battery saving mode. Or you can just enable lost mode, and in lost mode your Samsung phone will be automatically locked so you could protect your data. Also you can enable the toggle for track location. Now if you tap on start, you can track your lost Samsung phone. Now over here you can check the battery life of your lost phone. And this is how you can find your lost or stolen Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.